Welcome to the soul of Odia cuisine. Today, we're making dalma, a comforting, nutritious medley of lentils and vegetables. We start with our base, 1 cup of tur dal. Wash it thoroughly and let it soak for 20 minutes. Next, the vegetables. Chop raw papaya, pumpkin, eggplant, and raw banana into rustic, uniform chunks. Transfer your soaked dal into a pressure cooker with 3 cups of water. It's time to build the flavors. Drop in your chopped vegetables. Season the pot perfectly with salt and a generous dash of vibrant turmeric. Stir in crushed ginger and green chilies for an earthy heat. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. While that cooks, dry roast cumin seeds and red chilies. Grind them into our secret weapon, bhaja masala. Release the pressure. The vegetables should be perfectly tender, melting into the dal without losing their shape. Now for the soul of the dish, the tempering, or futana. Heat up 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Drop in pancha futana and dried red chilies. Listen to that crackle. That is the signature sound of dalma. Pour the sizzling tempering into the dal. Top it generously with freshly grated coconut and our roasted bhaja masala. Serve hot with steaming rice. Earthy, sweet, and perfectly spiced. Subscribe for more authentic Indian recipes.